Are multivitamins really helping your health, or are they just draining your wallet? Millions of people take daily supplements hoping to boost energy, improve immunity, and fill nutritional gaps. But what's the science say? Do multivitamins actually work, or are they mostly hype? In this video, we break down the truth about multivitamins, who really needs them, what they actually do, and whether they're worth the cost. You'll learn about absorption, effectiveness, potential risks, and how to choose the right supplement if you truly need one. If you've ever wondered, should I be taking a multivitamin, or are multivitamins a waste of money? This is the video for you. Let's dive into the real story behind one of the most popular health products on the market. Multivitamins are everywhere. They're in pharmacies, grocery stores, even gas stations, promising to boost energy, fill nutritional gaps, and improve overall health. But are they really worth it, or just an expensive habit? Let's break down the truth. Multivitamins are designed to provide a mix of essential vitamins and minerals, like vitamin C, vitamin D, B vitamins, iron, zinc, and more, in one convenient dose. The idea is simple. If your diet is lacking, a daily pill can cover your bases. But here's where things get complicated. Most people who eat a reasonably balanced diet are already getting enough of these nutrients from food. And unlike whole foods, multivitamins don't offer the full spectrum of health-boosting compounds like antioxidants, fiber, and phytonutrients that work together in real food. Worse, the body doesn't always absorb synthetic vitamins the same way it does from natural sources. For example, the form of vitamin E or B12 in many supplements isn't as bioavailable, meaning your body may not use it efficiently. Then there's the risk of getting too much. Fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K can build up in the body and become toxic in high doses. Taking a multivitamin on top of a fortified diet can push your intake beyond safe limits without you even realizing it. And studies? They paint a mixed picture. Some research shows little to no benefit of multivitamins for preventing chronic diseases like heart disease or cancer. In fact, large-scale studies suggest that for most healthy people, multivitamins don't significantly improve health outcomes. They might not hurt, but they often don't help much either. That said, multivitamins can be useful in certain cases. If you have a known deficiency, are on a restrictive diet, have malabsorption issues, are pregnant, or are over age 50, a supplement targeted to your specific needs might be beneficial. But even then, a customized or single nutrient supplement is often better than a generic multivitamin. So what's the bottom line? Multivitamins aren't magic pills. They're not a replacement for real food, and they're not a license to eat poorly. If your diet is lacking, it's better to fix your plate, not just pop a pill. Still, if you choose to take a multivitamin, go for one that's third-party tested, free from megadoses, and tailored to your actual needs, not a one-size-fits-all blend. The truth is, health doesn't come in a bottle. It comes from consistent habits. Eating well, moving often, sleeping enough, and managing stress. Multivitamins might help a little, but they're no substitute for a healthy life. Multivitamins might seem like a shortcut to better health, but the real power lies in daily choices. What you eat, how you move, how well you sleep, and how you manage stress. Remember, no pill can replace a plate full of real nutrient-dense food. If you do choose to supplement, make sure it's informed, intentional, and tailored to your body, not just marketing hype. Thanks for watching. If this video gave you clarity, hit that like button, subscribe for more science-backed wellness content, and share it with someone who's staring at the supplement aisle right now.